Good morning everyone. Welcome back to Grade 3 Mathematics class. In the previous classes, we have discussed about word problems. Today, we will see word problems involving more than 2 3-digit numbers. Look at this example. In an orchard, there are 186 apple trees, 274 mango trees and 134 coconut trees. Find the total number of trees in the orchard. So, what's the question here? We are given the number of different trees in an orchard and we have to find out the total number of trees in the orchard. So, let's look for the keywords first. Here the keyword given is find the total. It means it's an addition word problem. Now, let's look at the data given in the question. So, we have said there are 186 apple trees, 274 mango trees and 134 coconut trees. So with these data, let's write the steps. How do we write the steps? First, the given datum is 186 apple trees, the number of apple trees. So let's write that step first. The number of apple trees equal to 186. Then we write number of mango trees equal to 274. Now, number of coconut trees equal to 134. Now, how do we find the total number of trees? We have to add the number of all these trees, right? So, let's write the step for that first. Total number of trees equal to number of apple trees plus number of mango trees plus number of coconut trees. Now, let's substitute the numbers. So, number of apple trees equal to 186 plus 274 plus 134. Now, where do we do the calculation? In your notebook, you can see a left margin and a broader right margin. So, this right margin is your working column where you can do all the calculations. Once you finish the calculations, you can take the final answer from there and write it here. So, let's do the calculation in the working column. How do we write that? Let's write all these numbers vertically, that is column wise. 186 plus 274 plus 134. How do we add all this? Let's start with the ones. 4 ones plus 4 ones, 8 ones plus 6 ones, it is 14 ones. So 4 comes here, 1 goes as the carryover to the tens place. So here 3 plus 7, it is 10 plus 8, 18 plus 1, it's 19 plus, the carryover 1 to the hundreds place. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So, what is the answer here? 594. So, the total number of trees in the orchard equal to 594 trees. Now, let's discuss the word problems given in exercise 2.4 in your textbook. You can look in your textbook and you can write down the answers as we discuss it here. You can write it along once we discuss it here. Okay. Now, what is the first question? 243 men, 178 women and 358 children visited a zoo on Sunday. Find the total number of visitors to the zoo on Sunday. So, the question is regarding the number of visitors in a zoo. You are given the number of men, women and children who visited the zoo. So, we have to find the total number, means it's an addition word problem. So, from the data given in the question, let's write down the steps. How do we write the steps here? Number of men equal to 243. Number of women equal to 178 and number of children equal to 358. And the total number of visitors in the zoo on Sunday will be the number of men plus number of women plus number of children. Now let's substitute the numbers. It will be 243 plus 178 plus 358. So let's do the calculation in the working column. It is 243 plus 178 plus 358. So here it is 8 plus 8, 16 plus 3, 19. 9 comes here. 1 goes to the next place. 5 plus 7, 12. Plus 4, 16. Plus 1, 17. Balance or the carryover 1 goes to the next place. 3 plus 1, 4. Plus 2, 6. Plus 1, 7. So, what is the answer? The total number of visitors in the zoo on Sunday is 779 visitors. So, I hope this question is clear to you. You can pause the video and you can write down the steps and move on to the next question. So, we'll discuss the next question now. Ramya counted 157 men, 140 women and 70 children in the Christmas fair organized by her school. How many people did she count in all? So, it's regarding the number of people visited who visited a fair which was organized by Ramya school. So, you are given the number of men, women and children who were attending the fair. We have to find out the number of people that came there in all. In all means add or addition. So, here also is an addition word problem. So, let's write down the steps with the given data. So, how do we write the steps? The number of men equal to 157 men. The number of women equal to 140 women. The number of children equal to 17. Now, the total number of people that Ramya counted equals number of men plus number of women plus number of children. Now, let's substitute the numbers. It is equal to 157 plus 140 plus 70. You can do the calculation in the working column 157, 140 and 70. You can do the calculation. Now, what is the answer in this case? Total number of people equal to 367 people. Now, let's discuss the next question. In a cricket match, Sunil scored 135 runs, Amit scored 148 runs and Ali scored 125 runs. How many runs did they score in all for the team? So, it's about a cricket match and the runs scored by each of the players. You are asked to find out the number of runs they all scored together in all. Here the keyword is in all, the phrase is in all. So, you have to add all the data. So, from the question we know Sunil scored how much? 135 runs. Amit scored 148 and Ali score equal to 125. So, the total score equal to Sunil score plus Amit score plus Ali's score. Let's substitute the numbers. It is equal to 135 plus 148 plus 125. You can do the calculation in the working column. Now, let's check the answer. The total runs or the total score equal to 408 runs. Now, let's discuss the next question. A cold storage has 349 cartons of apples, 239 cartons of pears and 421 cartons of oranges. Find the total number of cartons. So, it's about the stock in a cold storage. You are given the number of cartons of each of the fruits available there. So, the keyword here is total. Find the total. So, what you have to do? You have to add up all the numbers given as the data. So, what is the number of cartons of apples? It is 349. The number of cartons of pears equal to 239 and the number of cartons of oranges equal to 421. So, how do we find the total? Total number of cartons equal to number of cartons of apples plus pears plus oranges. Do you see? I have put a bracket in between and I have written number of cartons here. So, when you put brackets and write something to the left of it, it means this part is applicable to all the items within the brackets. So, when you write like this, it means number of cartons of apples plus number of cartons of pears plus number of cartons of oranges. So, now let's substitute the numbers. It is 349 plus 239 plus 429. Sorry, 21. So, please do the calculation in the working column. What is the answer now? The total number of cartons equal to 1009 cartons. Now, let's see the fifth question. Write the numbers vertically and add. Vertically means what? You are writing one number after the other column wise, right? So, these are the questions. You can pause the video. We can finish the sum for all the questions and come back. Let's check all the answers together. I hope we finished writing the sums. So, now let's check the answers. See, this was the first question. 545 plus 111 plus 266. So, here when you add, we get 6 plus 1, 7 plus 5, 12. The 12 ones here. 1 goes to the next place. Here 6 plus 1, 7 plus 4, 11 plus 1. It is 12 tens. Then 1 goes to as the carryover to the hundreds place. Now it's 2 plus 1, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 1, it's 9. So the answer here is 922. And for B, it is 133 or 133 plus 284 plus 499. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 3, it's 16. You write the 6 ones here and carry over the 110 from 16 to the tens place, right? So it is 9 plus 8, 17 plus 3, 20 plus 1, it's 21. 110 here and the 21 tens equal to 210. So that 200 you carry over to the hundreds place. So here it is 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2, 9. Now the third one, C, 109 plus 618 plus 99. Here there are 2 3-digit numbers and 1 2-digit number. So let's add up all this starting with the ones. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 9 is 26. 6 goes here, 2 goes there, it's the carryover. 9 plus 1, 10 plus 2 is 12. Balance 1 or the carryover 1. 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. So here the answer is 226. Now let's see the next set of questions. So question D, 136 plus, the question given there is 88 plus 136 plus 333. We have learned that even if you change the order of the addends, the sum will not change. So for the ease of or for the convenience of adding up, I have changed the order of the addends, like the 3 digits come together or come close to close and the 2 digit is written as the last. So it is 8 plus 3, 11 plus 6, 17. 7 ones here, 110 here. 8 plus 3, 11 plus 3, 14 plus 1, 15. 1 here. 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. So the answer here is 557. So for E, it is 9 plus 1, 10 plus 4, 14. 4 ones here, 110 here. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. 0, 10s here and 100 goes to the next place. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7. So it's 704. The last one, it is 0 ones plus 9 ones is 9 ones itself. Plus 6 ones it is 5 ones. Sorry, 15 ones. And 1, 10 goes to the tens place. So 8 plus 7, 15 plus 1, 16 tens. And that's 6 tens we write here. And from 16 tens we carry over the 100 to the hundreds place. So that will make this one 1 plus 5, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1, 9. So the answer here is 965. I hope your answers are correct. Now, we were talking about adding of or addition of more than 2 3-digit numbers or more numbers. So as activities for the day, all of you please look into page number 26. You can see the heading Maths Around Us. Please go to that one and do accordingly. And also you have to go to, you can see the heading Hearts in the same page itself, and also Fun with Maths in page number 27 and Speed Maths in page 28. So please go through all these and do accordingly. Once you finish the activities, you can take a picture and please do send us. So that's all for today. I hope all the concepts are clear. We'll meet in the next class. Until then, bye.